Don't see no fuel shortage out here. I've got a bit of a problem with my bike. The air filter's come loose. It's spinning inside. Don't know if I've got any Allen keys in here. No. Maybe over here. I've got no Allen keys, but it might have something in here that fits. Lift that off from there. No. I mean, I'm nearly at Bathurst. There'd be like a Bunnings there. I can get an Allen key for it. It's getting something to eat. So the filter's turning on itself. The air filter just keeps spinning. There's a big gap. So I want to see, like, I can't get any Allen keys here. And see if there's a Bunnings or something open in Bathurst. See what I can do to fix that. Yeah. I want to at least like close that gap. Doesn't seem to be no fuel shortage at all. Don't know what's going on there. It's come loose. It didn't fit properly, so I had to trim it off a bit to get it in, and it was tight, but now it's come loose. I've got no Allen keys, so I can't tighten it. I want to maybe wedge something in there and tighten it up, but it's Good Friday as well, so Bunnings is shut. So might just have to try to. I don't think it'll affect me that much. I think it's just might get a bit too much air here and there, and it's not filtered. But see if I can fix it tomorrow. Probably. I don't think I'll be able to get a Allen key today. I've got some other tools, but yeah, no Allen keys. Usually I have some with me, but yeah. It's only 15 k's to Bathurst. Bit of greenery, farmland. Traffic's been pretty good after Lithgow. Just normal, like what it usually is when you head out here. Not busy really, like probably bank up a bit in Bathurst and Orange as you go through the town, but that's probably it. Nothing like Lithgow was bust. Yeah, the air filter's like moving around, but the bike's still running alright. Maybe it's backfiring a little bit more, but it seems to be running alright. I'll stop at a couple of surveys to see if I can get some Allen keys, but if not, I'll have to wait till tomorrow if I can get the Bunnings or a tool shop, Total Tools or something. Lovely day out here. Feels like about 25, 26, coming up to Bathurst. Like pretty nice coming into the town. It's all surrounded by all farmland, obviously. They've upgraded the road too, I think, recently. There's Bathurst. Supercheap Autos, it looks like it's open. Might be able to do a bit of a quick fix here. I have the wrong Allen keys. No. Okay. Is there an event going on, or is it? Is that involved with that? Is it? Or?
Good day, mate. Hey, how are you? Good, good. What's your name? Todd. How are you, Todd? I'm Mark.
It's just a rough job, but just so I fix it up a bit later.
Good luck, mate.
Yeah, no, I'm alright. It's still going anyway if it doesn't work.
You'd be used to that with a Harley, wouldn't you?
Yeah, yeah, it's true, you know.
They say that's half the fun of owning one.
Probably.
Have a good day, mate.
See you, mate.
Got all the tools you need?
Oh yeah, I lost one of these, but I can't fucking see it.
What?
No, I lost one of the black bits.
Oh.
I thought I had
I
more.
dropped in there, did it?
I must have. Spew on.
Are you okay if I have a look?
Yeah, you can have a look.
Yeah. I just...
Can't see it. I thought I had them all, but
Let's put a roll too. Oh, here it is.
right on your car. What good luck is that?
Yeah, thanks.
That's all right. You're in the right spot.
Yeah,
Thanks, mate.
thanks. No worries. Are you visiting or you live up here?
I'm going to Dubbo today.
Oh, good.
Yeah. I got a. Do you live here?
Yeah.
I got a place that Orange, but I don't live there.
Oh, yep.
But I'm going to have a look at that, and then I'm going to go to Dubbo, and tomorrow I want to go to Bourke.
Oh, wow.
But my filter started spinning on itself, so it's, I mean, you can still go like that, but I want to see if I can fix it.
Yeah, sure.
Even if it looks a bit rough, but it is what it is.
life.
Yeah, it's a lovely car.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Is it worth a lot of money? Like,
Oh, yeah. I didn't pay a lot of money for it.
yeah. I want to get an old car, but I got nowhere to. It needs to be kept in the garage, you know.
Yeah, sure.
The garage isn't big enough.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got like an old EH or something.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, ride safe, mate.
You have a good day, mate.
Good.
Thanks. Hey, mate.
There you go.
Good. Yeah.
I think a mate of mine's got the one up from this one, the 25.
Oh yeah, this is like 2017, so it's a bit old,
Okay.
but it's still alright. Like, yeah. No, I want to get a new one, but it's so much money. But
Yeah, well, my brother-in-law's got the 2025 and it's currently getting its motor rebuilt after 2000k
oh fuck.
because apparently they're using his bike to work out all the kinks.
Yeah, that's no good, is it?
Yeah.
I mean, it's good. It's still on warranty, so.
Oh, yeah.
But he's got no bike, or they give him a loaner
He
bike.
hasn't had it. No, they didn't give him a loan. But no, he gets it back next week. He hasn't had it for 2
Oh yeah, hopefully it all goes good now. Brand new engine.
Yeah.
You'd think so, Like,
Yeah, he's basically getting a full rebuild.
yeah.
So what's wrong with this one? Or you just...
I got to put a new filter in, but it come loose,
Yeah,
and
right.
it was spinning on itself. And I just want to. Doesn't really matter, but I want to try and get it going better. So I got a gasket and just roughed it in and see how it goes.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Oh, good luck with it anyway.
Yeah. Have a good day, mate.
You too.
Oh, that worked out well. Lucky that was open. I mean, I got more gasket if I need to add another one, but that's working so far. A lot of friendly people too in the country, in Bathurst. That's what I like. Well, it's not the only thing I like about the country, but it's one of the things I like. People just seem, I don't know, seem to have more time to give you to give you the time of day, like. Alright, on the way again. Come in the centre of town in Bathurst. It's not a bad town, this one. It's come a long way since the 70s. Planning on getting a steak and chips in a pub here, but when the outfitter was moving, I knew like I'd just get some takeaway food. I got some scallops, just so I could spend a bit of time fixing my bike instead. Maybe I'll get a steak tonight, hopefully. Some nice houses in Bathurst, like the older style. I think they're called Federation houses.